Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite quick and easy ways to bring fall into your room. These are all very inexpensive little touches that you can add, and I just feel like it gives a really warm and cozy feeling to your room environment. October to the end of the year is definitely my favorite time of the year, and I am so excited to decorate for Christmas and everything like that. But I am very happy with how my little room decor touches turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. The first thing is little baby pumpkins. You can add these to your windowsill or onto your desk. I bought these from the grocery store. The little ones were 70 cents and the big ones were only $1. Another thing I love is to add florals and leaves around my shelves and my desk area. A lot of these happen to be from the dollar store. You can definitely find great fall florals from the dollar store, so I recommend checking that out if you're on a budget. But it's fun to play with and scatter around fall colored florals on your different shelves. You could also switch out your throw pillows to go with the season. These just happen to be mine year-round, but they match. I'm also obsessed with decorating with garland. This pom-pom garland is from my DIY fall garland video, so I'll link that down below. I think it's a great way to bring in some more color into your room. I'll also add them to my windowsill if one is too short to hang. And I wrapped this one that's also in my video around the back of my chair that sits at my desk. Another thing I love to do is trade out my summer florals for fall florals. So any mason jars or vases I have, I switch them out with fall colored leaves, sunflowers, or any orange and white flowers. And last but not least, one of my favorite ways to bring in fall is candles. I always have multiple in my room, and I just love lighting them throughout the season to fill my room with lovely fall scents. I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell so you know every time I upload. I have a ton of fall videos planned. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos a week this month. They are all within the festive spirit, so get ready for Halloween, fall overload. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.